Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. I'm Marshall3498, and today's motovlog topic is going to be really a video response to a smaller channel that I recently subscribed to and been watching his content. He rides an FZ07. It's like 135 subscribers, something like that. But I recently subscribed to his channel. He comments on a lot of my stuff. Thank you for that. But somebody in the chain before him, another motovlogger that he watches, a smaller channel, I'm assuming, and he did his vlog about this, and I'm just going to do my version, because everybody has their own opinion. I'm not trying to copy anybody or nothing like that, but, you know, God. But like I said, another local, well, fairly local motovlogger I watch, who's in the Chattanooga area, Ant Moto. This is kind of the same thing. He put a feeler out there for everybody to get their take on it, and this is mine, and this is called Struggles, however you want to call it, of being a motovlogger. This is my third season doing motovlog, I believe. Memory serves me correct. And I've learned some things, and made some mistakes along the way, sure. But the main thing about it is not that it's really hard to do, so to speak. It's challenging, yes, but it's not really super difficult. Anybody that can do it. But it is quite hard to be entertaining and tell a story and not do what I just did. Have a pause. You know, you got a lot going on. You're riding, you're trying to stay safe, you're trying to stay on topic while being entertaining at the same time. It's a lot to do. And I myself, I consider myself to be a fairly intelligent person, but by no means am I a college grad or anything like that, or an honor student back in school. I just, the main thing that I liked about high school was football and hanging out with my buddies. But you know, I did okay, because in order to keep playing football, you had to have at least, couldn't have anything less than a seat, so whatever. Anyways, but sorry to get off topic, but you know, it's quite a bit to do, like I said, to stay on task, and like I just got off task just then, and it's a lot to do. It's prep work, much more prep work than go riding. You know, you go riding, you pull your helmet out of wherever it is, your closet, whatever, and I myself always wear full gear head to toe, no matter if I'm commuting or not, but that's me. But it's not as simple as just grabbing your riding gear, going out there, put your key in your bike, let it warm up while you get all your rest of your gear on a little bit for a minute or two, and go. No, it's not that simple. If you want to do some motovlogs for that day, or motovlog, depending on how your style is, if you like to make several in one day, and then have some in the can or on the back burner, so to speak, to keep your upload schedule possible. Like I like to do, at least right now, while the weather, it's in May now, 2018, and now, you know, the weather's pretty good to ride most any time, unless of course it's raining. But I try to upload at least once a week. I did do twice a week last year, and I just almost just, I mean, I guess I almost use up all the thoughts in my head that I jot down every now and then with an app on my phone. If I get an idea for a motovlog topic, I write it down before I forget about it, and then next time I go out riding, I do my best interpretation to tell the story of my idea and topic. So, this road's a little damp up here because it's in the shade. Y'all probably can't see it on the GoPro. But anyways, it's a lot to do, you know. If you want to go, like I said, if you want to go out that day, you have to pre-plan to charge everything up, make sure SD card is emptied into a hard drive, or put it on your PC or Apple, whatever you use. You gotta make sure everything's charged up. You know, if you're a motovlogger and you're going out and you just have one GoPro battery, that's not gonna work very long, because these things, at least from my perspective, like where I use the remote here, they only last about an hour roughly with the Wi-Fi turned on. But you know, that's not too bad, but you at least want to have at least a couple anyway, just in case. At least I like to. So there's that. You got to charge all the batteries either the night before or maybe that morning if you're going riding that afternoon. And it's a lot of preparation. The editing and building the video does take the most time. You know, like I use GoPro, the free software from GoPro, just because it's free and I'm a cheapskate. And it's fairly simple to use. You know, I'm not super computer savvy, so less is more, so to speak, with me, because it makes it easier for me to figure out. So there's that. And then, you know, just to put out quality content. I can't tell you how many times, like today, I'm on my way to one of my favorite riding areas, 421, and on my way up here, I might make a couple moto vlogs or whatever, but man, sometimes I can't stay on topic, or I screw up or something like that, or somebody runs out running me and I end up like almost, you know, having to edit out the whole video because of obscenities, because I almost died, and it's a lot to do. And I try to keep my channel completely family friendly for any of my subscribers. That way, if they're watching it with their family, nobody gets offended, and all's good. Plus, my mom and dad usually, and my aunt usually watch all my moto vlogs and stuff like that. So, but, you know, I try to have a most clean mouth as possible to be a good example for my children, until they make me mad, of course. But, you know, motovlog, it's fun. I enjoy it. You know, my channel's still so small, I don't make a dime off of it, and that's okay, because it's a hobby of mine. And if nothing else, I have memories to back up and pull some cool photos out of the ride that day that you can do with GoPro software. A lot of times they turn out kind of blurry, but sometimes you can get a good photo out of them for memories speak. But like I said, it's just kind of a video response. Try not to make it too lengthy here. There's this truck coming with a load of metal on there. That's lovely. Hope it didn't drop anything. But like I said, kind of getting off topic here and probably making the video too long. So on that, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.